Hi friends, so welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be going to look at the candlestick pattern of a spinning tops. Okay, so how to find the trade and enter the trade or exit our trade, existing trade based on the spinning tops. Okay, so this is for an educational purpose. So please do your own analysis before doing a real trade. Okay. So spinning tops candle pattern will give us the useful information of current situation in the market. Okay, so candles will look like a below image. So let's look at how the spinning tops will looks like. So this is an spinning tops. Okay, so we don't want to bother much about the color of that. It can either be in a green or in a red. Okay, and the body of the candle should be in a minimum size, and its upper and lower shadow should be on the equal size. Okay, so this is the spinning tops. Okay, so how to identify the spinning tops? Okay, candle will have the small real body and the upper and lower shadow of the candle will be almost equal in size. So it's like a reversal or the continuous chart pattern. And for example, if the green candle in a green candle, if the open is at 150 rupees in a stock, then its close should be around 150. Okay, and if it is a red candle, its open is at 150, then its close should be around 148 level. Okay, so and upper and lower shadow should be almost equal, which means that both the bulls and bears are trying to take the control, but they fail to do so. Because of that, there is a bigger size of the upper and lower shadow in a candle, and the actual body of the candle is at the is having a very small real body. Okay, so spinning top in a downtrend and it's a reversal. We'll be going to see an example of a reversal trend. Okay, so here you can see that this is an example of the Nifty. So here you can see it's having a downtrend, and after that this is a spinning top. You can see that it's having a very small body and it's having the upper and lower shadow is almost equal, and it happened at the downtrend, right? So if after this you can expect even the continuous pattern or also the reversal pattern, right? So let's say if you are trying to buy 1000 stocks at this after seeing the spinning tops, so don't buy the 1000 stocks at this level. So you can buy almost 50% of your trade. Do the 50% of your trade, so that you will be buying that 500 shares at this level, and once if the stock price starts moving up, after that either you can buy balance pending 500 stocks, so that you can even like average it, or else if let's say that if the price moves down, then you can also buy the stocks at the lower price, right? So here you can see that this is which means that after the downtrend, we means initially the bears are in a full control, and after that here like bears are trying to take the control, but suddenly the bulls have been there is a bulls present in the stock market, means in this Nifty, right? So that they are trying to pull the market upside, and even after that there is a bulls are not able to take them take care of this price movement onto towards the upsides, so that the price moves down again, and even bears are trying to take the price downside, and after that they fail to take the price towards the upside, right? So that the spinning tops happens. So this might happens. So only you should look for the spinning tops either on the downtrend or in an uptrend. If it is if the market is moving in a sideways, so you should avoid the spinning tops. Okay, so this is a reversal pattern. So after that you can after the spinning tops, you can see that the market had a good rally. So now we'll be going to look at the continuous pattern. So here you can see that there is a downtrend, and here you can see that there is a candle spinning top candle formed, and after that the price tend to move downwards, right? So this is a continuous pattern. So if let's say if you bought for half of your positions at this level, so that you might come up with come out of this trade with the 50% of the loss, or else like you can even buy at the lower price, right? So this is the use of this spinning top, so that you can buy only the 50% of your stock, so that either you can come out with the 50% loss, or else you can able to get the stock at the lower price. Okay, so spinning top in a uptrend and it's a reversal pattern. Okay, so here you can see that the stock has been had a good rally towards upside, and after that there is a spinning top chart has been formed. After that you can see that there is a reversal happened at this level, right? So if you are willing to if you are already in a trade and if you want to exit, so here you can, after seeing this spinning top, you can exit 50% of the trade, and after that you can hold with your 50% of the balance trade, so that if the price tends to move down, then you can exit with a small 50% of the profit with the higher price, and will be going to come out of the trade with the 50% little bit at the lower prices. Okay, and here you can see that this is a continuation pattern. So here you can see there is a green candle happened as a spinning top. Here you can see that. So after this, even the price has not get reversed here. So after that the price tends to move upward. So after a uptrend, it's a continuous pattern happened. So let's say if you have exited only 50% of your trade at this place, and if you are holding your balance 50%, then you have a chance to close it at the higher levels, right? So this is about the spinning tops in uptrend and the continuation pattern, right? So this is like a very good chart pattern, so that means like it will show you guys that after either the bulls or bears are in a control, after sometimes the opposite party, let's say if bulls in a control, then you can, if the bears are coming to take a try to take the control, then the spinning tops will happen, right? So make sure that spinning top will have a small real body and it will have almost equal upper and lower shadow. Okay, if that happens, make sure then that's the spinning top candlestick pattern. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and like and share our YouTube videos to your friends as well if you guys have learned something new in this video. So thanks for watching.